Brett's doing the lift right now. There's the doggos. Okay, so let's go in there and be very quiet because he's very frustrated because it's not going his way. Not his way, it's not going the way a lift is supposed to go. So it's the pinion arm. He's having a hell of a time with it. So we'll tiptoe around that, but I want to show you the truck because we're going out this weekend and I want to show it while it's in process as opposed to just seeing it all glamorized up. So the lift is going in, like I said a million times already. Sorry about that. Okay, so adventure trail gear. Adventure trail gear. Awesome stuff. Check those guys out. Okay. Traction boards, gasoline, this has all our shower stuff in it. I'm not going to open it right now because he's got the truck lifted and apart. Ooh, close up there. Sorry about that. Okay, so let's go over here. Let's open it. That's it. Can I see that? That is the table. It's going to come down. This is the swing out. Let me take you back around. Sorry for all the vertigo. This is the swing out. Right? This here swings out. And then the table, when it's out here, comes down. It's awesome. Okay. So everything's going in there. You guys have seen the side boxes. Let's just take a look. Again, I'm not going to open anything, but side boxes. Right, let's go this way. Let's go around this way. Let me show you the decals so far. Stephanie's done them for us. Check it out. That's our mining license. That's Brett's mining license. I have my own trimmer. Looks awesome. Take a look down the side here. That's our new branding. Adventures Unexpected in matte green. Brett did that with Stephanie. This is the lifted truck right now. That's pretty crazy. Right? That's pretty crazy. Right. Again. So, I think that's all I wanted to show you. The lift is in progress. Woo! Watch myself. There's stuff everywhere, so I'm gonna get out of here before I trip backwards. But that's the start of the lift. Ciao for now, guys.